Cha-cha-cha, boogie-boogie pa. Tango-tango, boogie cha-cha.
Okay, now, one briefcase. You're a lucky briefcase. Okay, number 7.
Chloe!
Over here.
So may bunker sa
Bangko lang kay bangko. Gamay.
Number 7. Choose 3 briefcase to open.
Number 10.
Number 10. Yulin.
Diri ba tumang? Diri ba tumang?
Briefcase. Lower.
Diri ba tanaw? Ato man diri. Sa audience. Wow!
5 pesos. One. Another one.
Number 3. Angel.
Angel. Open your
Diri iya,
briefcase.
diri ope tubang. 500.
Another one. The last one.
Number 2. Lower.
Diri tubang, diri tubang.
Nika, lower.
100.
Tuition lagi tuan ni Lord.
Oh na, kuha ang 100. 100 kuha.
Another one.
That's enough. For the bankers offer. Hello, banker.
Bunker.
Okay.
Bunker higher.
Okay.
This higher.
The offer is 200 pesos.
Yay!
Deal or no deal?
No deal! No deal! No deal!
Now, we open 2 more briefcase. 2 more briefcases.
Number 6.
6, Carmen, open the briefcase.
Lower.
10 pesos!
10 pesos. One more.
Nine.
Before we open that briefcase, an intermission number.
Ang nabilin, 1 peso, 20, 50, 200, 1,000 o 1,500. Wow!
Give her a big round of applause.
Swing home as the music stops. Strangers making the most of the dawn. Two by two their bodies become one. I see you in the smoky air. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you.
Bunker offer.
The banker's offer is 400 pesos. Deal or no deal?
No deal! No deal!
Can I ask my husband to help me?
Now opens two briefcases.
Number 8.
Number 8, Mommy May. Is it okay?
Okay.
Number 8 opens the briefcase.
2 million.
Number.
Number 1.
Is this okay?
Okay.
Okay, Aisha, open your briefcase. 200!
Uy, kinsa may wala na pa mang gusto piling ko.
Pilay mo edad, Mami.
I am now 50 years old.
Karon, 51 pesos. Deal or no deal? You open one more briefcase.
Number. Number 4.
Number 4, open the briefcase.
No deal. Hindi ko mag-issue na.
100. So, the banker's offer is 300. Deal or no deal? Before you say the answer the question, intermission number from Mami May.